皆さん、Ms.P です。Hello everyone, I'm Ms.P. Today I'm going to teach you integration, level 2. Actually, I'm going to teach you definite integral by using partial fraction decomposition. So, here's the problem. Integral from -1 to 2 of 5x over x squared minus x minus 6 dx. So, first of all, we have to decompose denominator. So, here's the point, partial fraction. 5x over x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to a over x minus 3 plus b over x plus 2. So, the point is that we are going to decompose the denominator x squared minus x minus 6 into x minus 3 and x plus 2. And then we have to find a and b, the values of a and b. So let's do. So first of all, we have to do 5x is equal to a times x plus 2. So because original denominator is x squared minus x minus 6, so we have to multiply a and x plus 2. And next plus b times x minus 3. X minus 3. And now, next point, we're going to calculate by using distributive property. Okay? So this and this, and this and this. And 5x is equal to a times x is ax. A times 2 is plus 2a. And then b times x is plus bx. And b times negative 3 is negative 3b. And now we are going to be grouping. AX and BX are the same group. And 2A and negative 3B are the same group. So let's see. 5x is equal to parentheses A plus B times x plus 2A minus 3b. So, the value of a plus b should be equal to 5 because x and x here. So, variable, it has variable x and x. Okay, so 5 is equal to a plus b. How about 2a minus 3b? This doesn't have anything. So, which is 0. The value of 2a minus 3b is 0, right? 0 is equal to 2a minus 3b. So now, we have to solve for a and b. So first of all, we're gonna multiply the first equation, 5 is equal to a plus b, by 2 or negative 3 or 3 or whatever, but I think 2 is easiest. So we're going to multiply by 2. So let's do 5 times 2 is 10 is equal to 2 times A plus 2 times B. And then next one, we're going to move this equation to the right. 0 is equal to 2a minus 3b. So, next step, we are going to subtract, right? We are going to subtract. So, subtract this, subtract this equation from this equation. So 10 minus 0 is 10. 2a minus 2a will be gone. 2b minus negative 3b is positive 5b. So that is why b is equal to 2. And from this equation, we can say a is equal to 3, because 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay? So now we found the values of a and b, so we're going to rewrite here is equal to integral from negative 1 to 2 of parentheses. So 5x over x squared minus x minus 6 will be a over x minus 3 plus b over x plus 2. So a is 3. So 3 over x minus 3 plus b is 2. So 2 over x plus 2 parentheses dx. And then next step, we're going to integrate 3 over x minus 3 plus 2 over x plus 2. So let's do. Is equal to 3 times ln absolute value of x minus 3 plus 2 times ln absolute value of x plus 2. And then boundaries are now from, actually boundaries doesn't change. Boundaries the same. Negative 1 from negative 1 to 2. So next step, we're going to plug 2 into x. So let's do 3 times ln absolute value of 2 minus 3. So absolute value of negative 1 is 1, so it will be 1. Plus 2 ln absolute value of 2 plus 2, which is 4. And parentheses. And next step, we're going to subtract the value of this expression when x is equal to negative 1. So we're going to subtract parentheses. We're going to plug negative 1 into x. 3 ln, and then absolute value of negative 1 minus 3 is absolute value of negative 4, which is 4. So 4. So plus 2 ln absolute value of negative 1 plus 2 is 1. So it's 1. And then next I'm going to show you ln 1 is 0. And ln 1 is 0. We don't have to calculate this term and this term, okay? So we're going to organize. This is 0. This is 0. So 2 ln 4 minus 3 ln 4, which is negative ln 4. So this is it. This is the answer. Negative ln 4. So how was today's lesson? I hope today's lesson was very helpful. So this coming Wednesday is New Year. So we're going to take a break. So next lesson will be next Monday. Okay? So next Monday. So have a happy New Year. Bye.